Hey everybody, today we are multiplying by multiples of 10, which is not only fun to do, but it's fun to say. So you remember this model. It's 10 little cubes stacked up on each other to represent one 10. So what we have here is one group of 10 little cubes, which gives us a total of 10. And we know that we can write one group of 10 as 1 times 10. And that gives us 10 of those little cubes. Now what happens when we have two groups of 10 little cubes? Well, we can still write that as two equal-sized groups of 10, or 2 times 10, which gives us 20 of those little cubes. And if we go to three groups of 10, we have 3 times 10, which gives us 30 of the little cubes. And so on for all of your friends being multiplied by 10. So how might we apply some information like this? Let's take a look at an example. Here Nancy bought 6 boxes of cookies. There's 30 cookies in each box and we're looking for the total. So we have these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes of cookies, and there are 30 cookies in each box. Now maybe you could add these 30s up 6 times and that would give you the total, but we're kind of looking for some new ways, right? So here we see that we have 6 equal groups of 30. And we can represent that total using multiplication. Here is my 6 groups of 30. Now maybe we don't know how to do 6 times 30, but we do know that 30 is 3 groups of 10, and we can rewrite this as 3 times 10. Now maybe we can work with this fact that we do know, and we'll deal with this in one moment. So 6 times 3 is 18, and now we're just left with multiplying by 10. Well, when we had 2 groups of 10, that was 20, and when we had 3 groups of 10, that was 30, and when we had 4 groups of 10, that was 40. So what you see happening is a little pattern, right? That this factor that we're multiplying by 10 is moving from its original place value to the next place value up. So my 2, which is in the ones place, becomes a 2 in the tens place. So now back to our friends over here, 18 times 10. Well, we know that the 1 will be up a place value from the tens to the hundreds. The 8 will move up from the ones to the tens, and then we just have our 0. Okay, you want to try one more? I thought so. Okay, Coach Herrera is buying 5 cases of water, and there are 40 bottles in each case. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cases, and there are 40 in each case. Again, you could add 45 times, but we're practicing some new methods, so let's do that. So we have 5 cases of 40, 5 equal-sized groups of 40, so we'll find that total using multiplication. We're going to rewrite our 40 as 4 times 10. We see that 5 times 4 is a fact we know, it's 20. And we're just going to increase that 20 10 times. So to do that, we'll move our 2 from the tens place to the hundreds place. We'll move our 0 from the ones to the tens, and then we have our last 0. Now you can have fun multiplying by multiples of 10.